So I have gunpowder in these little triangles. But basically it's a Colombian drinking game that involves throwing large metal balls at gunpowder.
In 1941, 3 adventurers completed the Pan American Highway in a wildly unsuitable car. Now, we're retracing their steps in an even more unsuitable choice, a school bus. We bought the bus, spent a month building it, and now, along with a motley crew of friends, hitchhikers, and strangers, we're setting out to explore how the cultures, landscape, and the journey itself have evolved over the past 75 years. If successful, we'll be the first to navigate the full length of the Pan American Highway in a school bus. There's no support crew, just us, our bus, and the wildest adventure we've ever attempted.
Now I came with a vibe, hang with a guy. I'm on the job, it ain't 9 to 5. Hands to the sky, I feel alive. Whole life the weekend, I'm down to ride. Move little, move fast. And myself when I count that cash. Doing all the math on next year's checks. Yeah, but if you with me, let me hear you say yes. But Houston, we got some problem. I can't do the things I don't wanna.
What is the plan today?
The plan today is to wrap the bus up, get her ready, get her seaworthy, ready to go, and then we're going to head to Guatape, climb a big rock, and some camping.
Step 1 is figure out how this used to go. This guy really wants to take photos. Yeah. Alright, here we go.
This ain't nothing but a thing where I come from. Thinking I can make it rain if I want to. If you're newer to the game, let me show you. A headliner with a name on the poster. Yeah, it's game over, soldier. I ain't letting anybody close to me at the top, cause I'm finally posted. Ocean views in the vibe too cold. Houston, we got some problem. I can't do the things I don't wanna. Flow out cold and hot like the sauna. Y'all just pause cause I get the karma.
Let it all hang out. Bump it up, slow down. Got the good vibes all around. Just relax, put up your feet.
They are needed.
One way to go get on my rig.
A like 8-hour round trip hike for normal people. That she would just do that within like 2 hours.
Damn.
So we are cooking basically herby chicken with all kinds of spices and seasoning, pan fried, putting that to the side next to a nice beautiful salad with a yogurt and raspberry. And fucking bring it.
What do you do?
You just squeeze the 2 metal bits together.
I don't like it.
Salt. Okay, so both of these tables will turn down into bunks, 2-person bunks, and they're very simple, but they do take a little bit of effort. Yeah, in a nutshell, that is how you fold it to being a bunk bed. It's contained, you're absolutely fine.
Oh god.
Oh shit. Okay, good night.
Muchas gracias.
What do you think of this wire show? Probably good?
Okay. Well, fuck me, that sucks. 'Cause it's-
Thank you. Okay. It's gonna be interesting now.
Yeah.
Kind of this way-ish?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it does work this way.
Yeah.
Oh, now it does. Oh, this guy, what a hero. I fucking love Colombians.
She looks so happy.
Okay, so it's a really cool place. It's all good. The road down into it is too steep, too tight to turn. So she said we can try and back in front of her house. When she's moved one of the cars, we're gonna very slowly walk the entire road for 5 seconds. Joel's gonna do this. I'll be.
But I have
It's so crazy. This is my first big car. Oh, yeah.
red. There you go. Would you like a beer? I'm gonna steal one of those. How's she looking?
Isn't it nice? Like, it smells very earthy, but I'm hoping that's just the dirt on the bottom. But looks basically as much as we would have expected. Can't see any mold, can't see any bugs, no maggots, so I call that a success. Finished.
Wait, these are right.
Where is it? Where is it?
What you got there, Kira?
So I have gunpowder in these little triangles. But basically it's a Colombian drinking game that involves throwing large metal balls at gunpowder. I think
Tiny. It's like,
It's like
yeah, it's easy with two hands, it's not with one. Do you feel it?
Ah, interesting. Yes, I'm trying to come. That's exactly how this works.